In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your key status using the Autel IM508 and the XP200 or XP400. Alright, so I'm getting ready to show you how to check the key status. This will work on a semi-smart or a smart key, and you can use that information for other purposes in case you need any information on your key. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit Programmer, and of course you got to accept. And this key that we're working on is a BMW key. So we're going to hit key, then we're going to hit key read and write. We're going to hit auto detection, but before you do that, make sure you put the key in the programmer slot. So you hit auto detection and it's going to check it for you. Okay, so it gives you the chip number, the key type, the key ID, and the lock status. So the lock status is important in case you want to program that key to a vehicle. This key has to be unlocked in order to be able to do that. So here's the information. Hope you enjoyed the video.